Students, I'm back with another session and today's topic is division of money. We are going to revise it again. So let's start. The first sum here is 402 rupees and 50 paise divided by 5. So let's see. First we will write this amount inside. 402 rupees and 50 paise and 5 will go outside. The bigger amount will go inside and this number will go outside. Did you understand? The amount that has to be divided will go inside and 5 will go outside. Now let's see. The first digit is 4. The first digit is 4. 4 is smaller than 5? Yes. So what we will do? We will take these two digits, both of them, 4 and 0. And then we will say the table of 5. First digit सबसे पहले हमने देखा, that is 4. 4 5 से छोटा है, तो इसीलिए हम ये दोनों डिजिट्स लेंगे और फिर 5 का टेबल बोलेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 40 आ गया, 40 पे स्टॉप किया और लिखा 5 8s are 40. अब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 0 minus 0 0, 4 minus 4 0. ना अब 0 हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट नंबर नीचे लेके आएंगे 2. अब देखो अगेन 2 इज स्मॉलर देन 5. 2 इज स्मॉलर देन 5, इसीलिए हम नेक्स्ट नंबर को भी नीचे लेके आएंगे. जब हम दो नंबर्स एक साथ नीचे लेके आते हैं, वेन एवर वी ब्रिंग डाउन टू नंबर्स टुगेदर, वी हैव टू पुट अ 0 ओवर हियर. जब हम दो नंबर्स एक साथ नीचे लेके आते हैं तो हमें ऊपर क्या लगाना होता है? 0. क्या लगाना होता है? 0. Now again say the table of 5 and keep 25 in mind. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are. But when you bring 5 down, just put this decimal and now write down 5 5s are 25. 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0. Now अगर 0 बच जाता है और यहाँ रिमाइंडर में भी 0 आ गया, only 0 is left, just take it up. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is rupees 80.50. That is 80 rupees and 50 paise. Did you understand? Next we are going to divide 419 rupees and 30 paise by 14. Okay, so I'll write this amount inside. First make the division sign. 419 rupees and 30 paise will be divided by 14. Did you understand this? Yes. Now bigger amount will go inside and 14 will go outside. Now see the table of 14 has been written here. Okay, now say the table of, see the first digit 4. 4 is smaller than 14, so we will take both the digits 4 and 1, 41. हम पूरा 41 कंसिडर करेंगे, सिर्फ 14 नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ से द टेबल ऑफ 14. आपको नहीं आता है so just write it down. And in the vacations please learn all the tables. At least till 15 you should know, at least till 17 you should know actually. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42. So we have to stop at 42. But can we take 42? No. Can we take 42? No. We have to take a number smaller than that. So we will take 28. ये समझ में आया आपको? 4 है, 4 is smaller than 14. So what we will take? हम दोनों digits लेंगे. 14 की टेबल बोलेंगे जब तक 41 या उससे बड़ा नंबर नहीं आ जाता. 14 1s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42. We have to say the table of 14 until and unless we reach 41 or any other number bigger than 41. So when we reach 42, we stop. But can we take 42? No, it is bigger than 41. So we will take the next number, the previous number, that is 28. So I'll write here 14 2s are 28. हम 42 नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि वो 41 से बड़ा है, तो हम उससे पहले वाला 28 लेंगे. ओके, 14 2s are 28. Now 1 minus 8 is not possible. Borrow. This will become 11. This will become 3. 11 minus 8 will be 3. Correct. And 3 minus 2 will be 1. Now bring this 9 down. Now what number do you have? 139. Now again say the table of 4. 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Can we take 140? 139 से बड़ा 140 है, but can we take 140? No. So we have to take 126. 139 से बड़ा नंबर आते ही स्टॉप करेंगे. बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 140. But we cannot take this, so we'll take the number before that. That is this one. 14 nines are 126. 14 nines are 126. Now subtract. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Now this decimal is here, so just put this decimal or point up and bring the next number down. Did you understand this? Now say the table of 14 again. 133 till the time you reach a number greater than 133. Again 14 का टेबल बोलेंगे जब तक हमको 133 से बड़ा नंबर नहीं मिल जाता. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 6 are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. But is it possible to take 140? No. Then again we have to take this only 126. क्योंकि 140 133 से बड़ा है. 140 133 से बड़ा है, लेकिन हम इसलिए हम इसको नहीं ले सकते. हम लेंगे 126. 14 nines are 126. Now subtract. 3 में से 6 नहीं जा सकता. Make it 13 and make this one 2. 13 minus 6 will be 7. Correct. Now bring the next number down, that is 0. Now again you have to say the table of 14. फिर से बोलेंगे जब तक 70 या उससे बड़ा नंबर नहीं आता, फिर हम स्टॉप कर देंगे. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70. 14 fives are 70. आ गया 70. Did we reach? When did you get it? 14 fives are. So 14 fives are 70. Just write down and subtract. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 7 minus 7 will be 0. So the amount that you got after dividing is rupees 29 and 95 paise. Did you understand this? Yes. Now I am going to do one story sum with you. Let's have a look at the story sum. अगर आपको tables learn नहीं है तो write it down, and the best thing right now to do is you should know the table of tables from 2 to 18. Now you are in 4th standard. At least the tables from 2 to 18 you should know. If you don't know, please learn during your vacations. Okay? Every day you can manage. I know 12 तक सबको आता होगा. Only 4-5 tables are there. Just learn them. Okay? Now we'll move on to the next story sum here. Now let's just read it once. The cost of 8 chairs is rupees 776. Find the cost of 1 chair and 12 chairs. So the cost of 8 chairs is this much. Cost of 8 chairs दे रखा है. Find the cost of, पहले 1 chair का निकालना है और फिर 12 chairs का निकालना है. So number of chairs, again 2 things that you have been given. First is the cost of 8 chairs. So first statement I will write down. Cost of 8 chairs. 8 chairs का cost हमको दे रखा है. What is the amount? Rupees 776. Now if no पैसे is given, अगर कुछ भी पैसे नहीं दे रखा है, इसका मतलब 0 पैसे. So you can write it like this. 776 rupees and 0 पैसे. Okay? अगर पैसे का amount नहीं दे रखा है, then you write it down like that. Then the next thing is chairs. What are we talking about? Chairs. Number of chairs. Cost of 8 chairs is this. Number of chairs is 8. Now we have to find the cost of 1 chair. Find the cost of 1 chair. 8 chairs का cost हमको दे रखा है. हमको 1 chair का cost find करना है. What will we do? Multiple cost has been given. We have to find unit cost. ज़्यादा items का cost दे रखा है. हमको single item का cost find करना है. What will we do? Divide. What will we do? Divide. So we'll divide 776 rupees by 8. So 776 rupees and 0 peso will go inside and 8 will go outside. Did you understand this? Yes or no? 8 का दे रखा है, 1 का निकालना है. हम क्या करेंगे? divide. So let's start. 8 ones are 8. Now see, this first digit is 7. See, the first digit is 7 is smaller than 8. So we will take both the digits. Second digit को भी हम include कर लेंगे और 7 से तक हम टेबल बोलेंगे 8 का till the time we reach a number greater than 77. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 10s are 80, 8 9s are 72 आया, 8 10s are 80. Can we take 80? Can we take 80? 77 से बड़ा 80 आया. Can we take 80? No, because it is greater than 77. So what we will take? We will take the number before that. That was 72. That was 72. So just write down 8 9s are 72 and subtract. 7 minus 2 will be 5 and 7 minus 7 will be 0. Now bring the next number down, that is 6. Now again say the table of 8 till the time you reach 56. Or a number bigger than that. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Subtract 6 minus 6, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Now again 2 zeros are left here. And यहाँ 0 आ गया और फिर भी 0 बचता है, तो just transfer it up से. The cost of one chair is rupees 97. Did you understand? Yes or no? Cost of one chair is rupees 97. Now you have to find this one is done. 8 chairs का cost दे रखा था, हमने 1 का निकाल दिया. Next is find the cost of 12 chairs. Cost of 12 chairs. The cost of one chair is this. So cost of 12 chairs will be what? 12 chairs will be एक. अब हमारे पास एक का cost है, ज़्यादा का निकालना है. पहले ज़्यादा का था, एक का निकाला. अब एक का है तो हमको ज़्यादा का निकालना है. तो क्या करेंगे? What will we do? We will multiply. What we will do? Multiply. किसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 97 रुपीज़ एंड 00 पैसे will be multiplied by 12. जो एक का कॉस्ट है उसको नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स यानी 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 97 रुपीज़ एंड 00 पैसे. Okay, will be multiplied by 12 like that. So you have 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14, 1 will go up, 4 will stay down, 2 nines are 18 plus 1 19. Then again put a cross. Before starting with the second number हम क्या लगाएंगे? Cross. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 sevens are 7, 1 nines are 9. हो गया 1 2 से भी 1 से भी. Now just add these two. Put a plus sign and add 0 0 4 9 and 7 16 10 11. Just put a dot here. Okay, count 2 digits from the left and put a dot. Okay, so what is the amount? 1164 rupees. So cost of 12 chairs will be is rupees 1164 and 00 paise. Understood? See, what is the main point? The main point in this question is to understand कि आपको कितने chairs का cost, कितने items का cost दे रखा है. आपको multiple items का cost दे रखा है और single item का cost निकालना है. यानी बहुत सारी chairs का cost दे रखा है, single का निकालना है तो divide करेंगे. और अगर एक का cost दे रखा है और बहुत सारी 12 chairs का निकालना है तो multiply करेंगे. So that's it for today. I hope you have a great time during your summer vacations. Spend your time nicely, do your exercise, do your homeworks, do your worksheets, do your exercise and enjoy your time. Till we meet again, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.